When Jeff Bezos banned PowerPoint at Amazon in 2004, he replaced it with an ancient communication tool. You might have heard of it. It's called writing. To this day, Amazon is a writing culture. Employees and senior executives take writing courses to sharpen their ability to craft what are called six-pagers. Written narratives required for meetings. Every major product or feature at Amazon starts as an idea in writing. That tells you that good writing skills will help you stand out, even at a company like Amazon that's on the cutting edge of data science, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. If you cannot communicate clearly, you'll never get ahead. Here's Jeff Bezos in a podcast with Lex Friedman, explaining what he looks for in a person's writing and communication skills.
My perfect meeting starts with a crisp document. So the document should be written with such clarity that it's like angels singing from on high. Meetings at Amazon and at Blue Origin are unusual. When we get when new people come in, like a new executive joins, they're a little taken aback sometimes because the typical meeting will start with a 6-page narratively structured memo, and we do study hall. For 30 minutes, we sit there silently together in the meeting and read. Take notes in the margins, and then we discuss.
Is there art, science to the writing of the 6-page memo, or just writing in general to you?
It's really got to be a real memo. So it means, paragraphs have topic sentences, it's verbs and nouns. That's the other problem with PowerPoint presentations. They're often just bullet points, and you can hide a lot of sloppy thinking behind bullet points. When you have to write in complete sentences with narrative structure, it's really hard to hide sloppy thinking. So it forces the author to be at their best.
Writing forces the author to be their best. That's why Jeff Bezos values the ability to communicate through the written word. Does this mean you should eliminate PowerPoint entirely? No. I worked with senior executives at AWS, Amazon's giant cloud computing division. And guess what? When they present to external audiences, they use PowerPoint. Bezos calls writing a forcing mechanism. It requires you to structure your thoughts and be precise with the words you choose. Good writing reflects good thinking and ultimately will make you more persuasive and successful.